But it's been nice, and I think I'm developing a Bulgarian accent because everybody on the crew like speaks Bulgarian, so they're like, okay, that's all right. And I'm like, where did that come from?
Okay, you wrote on Twitter that you had a culture shock. What cultural difference was the most shocking to you here?
The language.
Значи на Twitter е написала, че имала така културен шок и я питах коя културна разлика най-много я е шокирала и тя каза езика.
All the signs are in Bulgarian, right? Not our English letters, so when I read it on the map, it's in English, and then everything is in Bulgarian.
Значи каза, че най-шокиращите са буквите, защото са тотално различни от тези на английски, че като чете каза, хубаво всичко пише на английски, обаче всички знаци и всичко е на български около нея. Някой друг иска да пита някакъв нещо.
I only had 2 questions.
Is it fun to work with a cat, with a wolf pack?
Do you want to translate and then...
Or
да се работи с cat?
They were happy about the question.
Do you want to say it in Bulgarian?
They already
Oh, you already said it. Oh, right. You said it to her. Okay. Yeah, we're like a family, right? So that's, I think, what makes this experience so amazing.
Това прави преживяването толкова страхотно.
Yeah, I think it's really good to be a big family with hold a cat.
Yes.
Как изглежда тази организация? Like
in real life, he's a good-looking guy. But when I was working with him,
когато работех с него,
he was 17.
Беше на 17.
So I didn't really look at his body.
Реално не гледах го след цяло.
Because then I'd go to jail. So when I saw the movie, I didn't realize his body was like all his abs one.
Когато видях филма, чак тогава зазнах неговото тяло и всичките му тук мускули. Аз се питам, what is the difference between David Slade and Chris? David Slade and Chris White.
Chris White is more of an emotional director.
Chris White е повече емоционален режисьор.
Where New Moon was, more emotion and feeling.
Защото New Moon беше повече чувства и емоции.
Where David Slade is much more technical.
David Slade е по... технически възглед върху нещата.
So, he's a little more, like, you don't get to see his personality as much as maybe Chris White, because...
Нямаш толкова възможност да видиш личността му в сравнение с Chris White.
So, just because they're, different, one's technical and one's more emotional.
Просто защото са различни. Един е по-емоционален, другият е по-технически неща. Which was easier to work with David Slade or Chris White?
It's not like easier, one or the other.
Не до леснота единия или другия.
This is different.
Те просто са си различни.
Are you excited for Breaking Dawn?
Различно си за...
That's my answer. Yeah, I mean, I haven't seen the script yet,
Все още не съм чела сценария
or shooting dates, so.
или не знам датите за снимките.
Which is your favorite book?
Тази книга.
New Moon.
Правилно започва. What's wrong with your person? What's wrong with your person?
He's nice. I mean, he's not like, he's not like Edward. Edward is like intense. And Rob is very like light and joking.
Той постоянно така се шегува и с него.
But he's nice.
Любимия герой от сагата? Любимия герой от сагата?
Which is your favorite character from the saga?
See, it's different from the book to the movie.
Има разлика между книгата и филма.
So in the movie, I think my favorite character was Marcus, Christopher Heyerdahl.
В филмите любимият си герой беше Маркъс.
Just the way he played it, like it just.
Просто начинът, по който изиграваше ролята.
Just even like thank you for your visit. It was
Real.
Great. Yeah, it was real. I don't know. What he did was beautiful with that character. So. But I didn't notice him in the book, right? But he didn't stand out to me in the book.
Но пък в книгата въобще не го е забелязала като герой. Въобще не ми изпълнява. Да. Както в филмите.
Кой хареса най-много от Кълън?
Who's your favorite Cullen?
Who's my favorite? Oh, I never had that question.
Задаваш ли този въпрос?
Алис?
Edward. Oh. I kind of like Rosemary, but when I read New Moon, I didn't really attach to her. But
Когато четях New Moon, въобще не може да се свърши така с нея.
But in Eclipse, when I read the book, like her story really like stood out to me.
Но когато четях Затъмнение, историята наистина така изчезна. Историята им наистина изчезна пред мен.
And so I felt her pain, so she became interesting.
И съм се чувствах нейната болка и затова тя стана по-интересна за мен.
Which is the funniest that joke friend?
Кой е най-забавният човек от каста?
Other than me,
Мен ли?
probably Bronson.
Yeah, the cast member said that he's a prankster, jokester.
Yeah.
They prank on all the cats.
He has like a lot of energy.
Има много енергия в него.
So yeah, probably Bronson.
Това той. What words in Bulgarian do you know?
Добре.
Благодаря.
And благодаря and Tiho. Because they're like, rolling, Tiho. Нас събрали.
Как се справят всички тези членове, които постоянно съществуват така?
How do you cope with the friends, with all the fans, and the shouting, the screaming?
I mean, it only happens when there's like events.
Случва се само когато има някакво голямо събитие.
And I'm not like walking down the street and I'm
What about your film? Your new film, what's it about?
The one here?
Yes.
Днешните дни нямаше да си филм, който снимаш тук. Забравям да превеждам, съжалявам.
I thought you were translating It's like these group of characters who get tricked into a fairy tale world.
Група от хора, които се пренасят в магичен свят. Да. Като приказка, да.
And the fairy tales, like goblins and all these like different fairy tale creatures are angry that people don't believe anymore.
И всичките тези прикакни герои са ядосани, че хората не вярват вече в тях.
And so these characters are being attacked by the fairy tales, and I'm the person who is in both worlds, like I'm helping them because
Communicate.
yeah, to communicate. So
И тези герои, в смисъл феите нападат тези герои и тя е този герой, тази човека, който осъществява връзката между тях и за комуникация.
And so at the end of the movie, I'm the one that helps save the day.
В края на филма тя е човекът, който героят, който спасява положението.
Това музика харесва?
What kind of
Everything. I mean,
всичко.
I mean, I can go from country music to like Metallica, rap.
Варира от country до metal, rap.
Who do you think is better for the Edward or Jacob?
Мислиш, че е по-добре за Едвард или Джейкоб?
Okay, I'm not Team Edward or Team Jacob. I'm Team Sam.
Team Jacob, аз съм Team Sam.
I don't think to me, like the bad boy is always very appealing, but he's probably not the best person in the long run.
Според нея лошото момче е този, който е по-така привличащ вниманието, но в краищата не е той. В смисъл не е сигурно, че той ще е най-добрият избор.
So into herself, shy and I don't know. Kristen Stewart is shy.
Срамежлива ли е Кристен?
It's not. I mean, I don't think she's like shy. I think that
Че е точно срамежлива.
when, like in this business, when you get to a level, you don't know what people's intentions are.
В този бизнес вече като се качваш нагоре по стълбичката, не знаеш точно какви са намеренията на хората.
So she knows you. She's very, friendly and not shy, but
И ако те познава, не е срамежлива, е много така приветлива, дружелюбна.
So, but I think she has a lot of pressure on her for this character.
Че има страшно много напрежение върху нея.
I think so. So I mean, I think that's what people see. But I think she's a very lovely, girl. I like her.
Точно това е точно това е нещо, което хората виждат в нея, но всъщност е много дружелюбна.
Какво мисли за твоя герой, Емили?
What do you think about Emily?
Like in what regard?
В какъв смисъл?
Като характер.
About her character. Personality.
I mean, I've grown so much from playing her.
Интересно много да я играех.
Because as women, when we look at our vanity, it's like you'll get like one little pimple and you're like that. You're like, oh my god, I'm so ugly. But for her, I don't know if you would. So, but for her, it's like this doesn't like dictate how she sees herself as being beautiful.
Значи, това, което ти харесва е, че белега ти не диктува да вижда околните и да приема себе си по различен начин, по лош начин.
How long is it take to make this makeup?
Колко дълго ви отне да направите белега?
For new moon, it took 3 to 4 hours, and then for eclipse, it was just brand new makeup team, so they didn't get
За
cast.
New Moon от него 3-4 часа. За затъмнение, когато е дошъл цял нов екип за грима.
So for eclipse, it took 7 to 8 hours because and it's because they didn't have like test, they didn't get a chance to practice, so it took them longer, and they had to match what the first people did.
Не са,